this is what we have, weekly time frame, EURUSD. So you can see here, we have a shift in market structure here. After this rally here, we get to see a shift in market structure here. So basically price came back to close this liquidity void here. We have a fair value gap here. It came, closed this fair value gap, and then all of a sudden we see a decline in price. So we can see here already it's weekend. So Monday it's gonna be another new candle that begins the week. So we have a small fair value gap here. So price might just come back to this small fair value gap here and continue to go down. But either way, we can see clearly that our institutional order flow is bearish. Okay, so this is gonna be our first targeted sell side liquidity, and then it's gonna be our second, and then our third targeted sell side liquidity here. So unless price gets to push and take out this high here, we can say now we have a bullish institutional order flow. But as for now, we have a bearish institutional order flow. Therefore, I believe price will push down to this sell side liquidity that we have here and collect it. So whenever you get to go to your smaller time frame, you begin to do your analysis, you will find buy opportunities, but just know that the whole thing, it's supposed to be going down, or the institutional order flow right now is bearish. So keep that in mind so that you align yourself for long-term trading setups. Shalom.